Okay, off of the previous short educational piece, I talked about this GPT Prompt Perfector, so I thought it might be interesting to look through what it does. And if you go to your Prompt Perfector here, I have the ability to edit the GPT. And here, if you make this a little bit bigger, you'll see that this is just a high-level view to say what the task is, what this actually thing is building. So the task itself is doing this. And then I create steps. And I think steps are kind of the coolest part and easiest way to kind of get the GPT to act the way you want it to act. So it can do prompt refinement, it takes a rework, it breaks down the task, it suggests new features, and optionally does prompt edits. And then it might suggest some conversation starters. And the AI agent large language model will decide to put this all in one place. And here I actually gave it an example user input as well as AI output. So it says, I want to create a custom travel GPT, blah, 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 blah. And then the refined output heading in bold says you're a custom GPT that assists with, planning a trip. And here you can ask for departure location, all of these things. And I think this is a pretty good GPT altogether. Then it also suggests new features. And so following this, you can ask it anything and it'll create you a GPT prompt that helps you then create, better GPTs all around. Great. One more thing to mention is that there are a lot of public ChatGPTs out there that requires the ChatGPT Plus subscription. If you are in Enterprise GPT, you can access these. But if you have a separate account like I do, then you can access them and get inspiration. For this particular one, for example, is a video summarizer. Not sure what it does within videosummarizerai.com, but actually does a pretty good job in getting the transcript, summarizing it, and then doing some refinement to it. So if I were to do that internally, I would probably pull a transcript, be able to maybe use a custom action of some sort to do that, but then summarize it all together.